Are you not sure how to warm up your shoulders at the gym or if it's even helping? I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, and in this video, I'm going to go over my 4 favorite shoulder warm-up exercises that I give all my shoulder clients. How do I know this will help? Because we've helped thousands with our one-on-one online coaching platform with people eliminating shoulder pain and getting their lives back. Before we get into the 4 exercises, let's start by why it's so important to warm up the shoulders in the first place. I want you to picture a cold winter morning. You wake up, there's snow on the ground, your car's outside. You have 2 options. You can go outside and warm up your car and wait 5 to 10 minutes, or you can turn your car on and just go. The first option of warming up the car not only puts the car up for success while you're driving, but also makes the drive more comfortable for the driver. The second option of not warming up the car increases the likelihood that something bad can happen with the car. If the car is not warmed up, it has to work a lot harder as you're driving it. This is the same principle as why we need to warm up our shoulders before we're lifting at the gym or other activities. If we do not warm up the shoulders, the risk of injury does go up. So take the few minutes right now and try these exercises and start adding them into your warm-up routine. Now let's get into my 4 favorite shoulder warm-up exercises. The first 2 are going to focus on shoulder and T-spine mobility. The second exercise are going to work on strength and stability and activation of the shoulder. The first exercise is called a wall open book. You're going to find your way to the wall and you're going to kneel with your outside leg on the ground and the leg that's closest to the wall with the hip connected. From there, you're going to bring your hands together on the wall and you're going to open up away from the wall, leaving one arm connected. As you rotate your shoulder away from the wall, you want to follow your eyes with your hands as far as you can take it. Do not force this motion. Once you get to the end range or the end of the wall, you're going to reverse the motion and return to the original position. Complete 15 reps on each side of the wall open book. The next exercise is one of my favorites and is called a wall slide. You're going to find a wall and place your hands on the wall right in front of you. You can either have your feet together or put one foot in front. I like to put my left foot in front just because it feels more comfortable. From there, you're going to have your hands on the wall. You're going to slide them up and lean into the wall as you raise your arms higher. You should feel your shoulder blades in the back moving up and around as you're clearing the motion and sliding your arms up the wall. Do not force the motion, but lean into the wall the higher that you get up. Complete 2 sets of 12 of this exercise. The next exercise is working on strength and activation of the shoulder and is called a banded cheerleader. You're going to grab a band to start and we're going to be moving in 3 different directions. Starting with the band in front, you're going to have your palms up. From there, you're going to pull the band apart and you're going to hold with your elbows extended. Then you're going to return to that original position. Now you're going to move at a diagonal. You're going to bring your left arm down and right arm up. After holding in that position, you're going to return to the original position again. Now you're going to do the opposite. You're going to bring your left arm up and right arm down and hold. You should feel the burn in the upper back and shoulders as you're completing these exercises. All 3 directions equal 1 rep. You want to complete 5 reps total, holding 5 seconds in each position. This is going to burn. The last exercise is called a banded W hold. This is going to engage the posterior rotator cuff in the back of the shoulder. Grab a band, keep your palms up, and while keeping your elbows by your side, you're going to pull the band apart. You're going to hold for that tension and feel the back of your shoulder activating. Complete 2 sets of 4 with a 5-second hold. If you are not shaking or you feel like it's not enough, you could either increase the reps or, in my opinion, you should hold it for a longer period. 8 to 10 seconds should do the trick. You can complete this shoulder warm-up routine in only a few minutes. And after completing that, you should feel a reduction in your shoulder pain and should be able to move through the workouts at a better capacity than you were before. The open book and wall slides will help the mobility of the thoracic spine and also shoulders. The banded cheerleaders and banded W holds will help with strengthening and also activation of the back of the shoulder. Now I know these 4 exercises can be an absolute game changer for a shoulder warm-up, but we know for people with shoulder pain, the work is not done. If we only needed these 4 exercises to fix all of our shoulder problems, the world would be such a better place, but we know that there's going to be other things involved with it. The truth is the work isn't done because the root cause of the shoulder pain has not been addressed. Establishing the root cause behind the shoulder pain with a one-on-one assessment is the first step in setting you up for success. This assessment is not only beneficial, but it's necessary. By establishing the root cause, it gives the game plan and roadmap on not only how to fix your shoulder pain, but how to prevent it from coming back again in the future. Let me know if this is you or if you tried any of these things. Physical therapy, chiropractic, stem cells, cortisone, PRP. These things could be all beneficial, but if it's not fixing the root cause, you're basically spinning your tires over and over without getting results. The first step is texting the word pain to 720-710-4371. From there, we can get a step-by-step tailored approach on what you truly have going on with the shoulder and how we can fix the pain for good. Do this right now so you're stop wasting away your life with this shoulder pain and you're taking the opportunity to fix it right now. At Comeback Performance and Wellness, our mission is simple. We're trying to help 1 million people around the world eliminate shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging and injections, and get their lives back. At Comeback Performance and Wellness, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.